Hello Roberto, how are you doing?
I'm doing great.
Okay, so can you tell me something about yourself and your company?
Yes, I'm Roberto Medrano, Executive Vice President of SOA Software. And SOA Software is a company that is a leader on the space on SOA governance, API management, and cloud integration.
Okay, and can you also tell me something about the award that you received today?
Yes, it was great to receive an award today for the best white paper. And our white paper was ready to use SOA governance for IBM. And this is great because we've done a 25-page white paper that describes what you need to do SOA governance for all IBM WebSphere products, which is quite interesting. And our solution actually creates a ready-to-use SOA governance, meaning out of the box, you can make them work, govern all the services that the IBM WebSphere platform has.
Okay. So Roberto, is there any one product of your company you would want to talk about, you want to discuss about any one product?
Well, I have too many products. There's products on the SOA governance side, and there's products on the API management side. Now, I will talk a little bit about the API side because we already talked about SOA governance a little bit. But APIs are becoming so interesting now in the enterprises. You can imagine all the large enterprises are creating apps now. Everybody wants to have an app of something. And those apps, enterprise apps, have to be communicated internally to multiple things, and they connect themselves to APIs. We have a technology that actually manages, monitors, SLAs, does SLAs for that, and secures the APIs, and we call the governed APIs as an API management product called Atmosphere. And the Atmosphere product is what provides the capabilities for large companies to be an enterprise API management to create those robust, secure, and manageable apps.
Okay, so is this the app technology that you were talking about? Is it?
Yeah, many people are talking about the app economy now.
Okay.
And just like in the 90s, everybody wanted to have a website. And so everybody rushing to have a website just to display first their products, then eventually to do e-commerce, and eventually to do even more things. Right now, everybody's rushing to have an app. So we call the new app economy. And they're rushing to do apps where there's games, which we don't do those, but if you're doing apps for large enterprises, where you want to have new revenue streams and you want to have new ways to communicate to your partners and to your customers and get your customers to give you more revenue, we have this way to connect those apps via APIs.
Okay. So also Roberto, so you won an award today, right? So what else did you like about the program today? The Network Products Guide program today? Is there anything that you want to share?
Yeah, one thing that I always like about the Network Products Guide, and the dinners especially, is that you have a collaboration of very high level, very important people here on the different tables. So everybody that is at the tables usually is a high level executive of their own companies. They're successful in their own right, and they're successful with their companies. And in this case, their companies are also successful as many of them are recognized here. So the interaction between us is at a very high level, and we can discuss different things. As I was discussing some cloud technologies, some cloud pricing technologies with a couple of the people that were in my table.
Okay. And I want to ask you one last question, and is it you're going to come back next year, right?
Well, I like to come back next year. I have to be invited, of course, so if I'm invited, I was going to say here, but sometimes these awards are not here. Sometimes they're someplace else, so,
okay.
I'll be here.
Looking forward to seeing you.
Thank you.